Uh, okay, thank you so much. Sooner done than said. Okay. So, children, as you can see, there's a syllabus link for class 5 mathematics. Then there's a payment link, feedback link, all batch details link. And in case of further query, you can email us on this address and you can WhatsApp on this number. Okay. And then in case you're facing an internet glitch, you can watch this demo live on FB. And this is the link for that. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Now let me tell you about the flow of the session. So first of all, you will get to know your mentor, and she's already here with us. Okay. And after a brief interaction with your mentor, then you will see a short informative PPT wherein you will get to know a little more about the course that you're about to start. And then you'll see a short dashboard tour, followed by, in case you have any query or a doubt, you can always ask that. We'll be happy to answer. Okay. And after this, your actual demo will begin, for which all of you have been waiting. Understood? Show me a thumbs up if it is clear. Okay, it is clear to Shivansh and Rudra and Vanisha, Anshuman, Janvi. Okay, Arjun, Navyog. All right, all right. So it is clear to all of you. Good. So we have bright kids here. Okay. All right then, let me tell you that we have with us Gunjan ma'am, a wonderful mentor, very good teacher. Teaching is her passion, and I'm sure you're going to love her sessions and you'll get conceptual clarity during her sessions. So I'll not speak much. I'll request Gunjan ma'am to speak to you directly. All over to you, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you all? Are you able to hear me properly? So how are you feeling today? Excited? Happy? Or curious? Okay, Shivansh, yes for what? Tell me, how are you feeling? Write on the chat. Shivansh, I think you are feeling sleepy today. No? Adya is excited. I'm not able to see Satyata. Okay, Shivansh, very good. Vanisha is good. Janvi, happy. That's good. I'm elated to be starting this maths class. Good. I'm feeling nice. Arjun, very good. Okay. So do you find maths easy or do you have any difficulty in that subject? Scare from the subject? Okay, Shivram. Very easy. Okay. So Shivansh, if saying is it is very easy for him, then that means questions are also very easy. Okay. Maths is quite easy. Anshuman is saying little hard. Okay. So that means it is not your favorite subject? Anshuman? Is it so? It is not a favorite subject for you? Okay, Arjun, maths is easiest. Avyukt is also saying it is easy. Okay, that's great that you people are finding maths easy, and those who are not finding it easy, by the time I wish that when we complete the session, you too say that maths is also easy subject for me. Okay, Anshuman? Okay, so will you pay all attention to maths? If sometimes I have seen that those students who find it difficult that does not pay attention to it. Anshuman, will it be with you also? No? Okay. I want every student in the class that right now you people are on mute option, but in the class, I want everyone to be to have participation in the class. And when it is not so, not like just opening the mute button, that means in the chat also, right? If right now you are on the chat option, so when I ask you the question, I want everyone to be participated by writing it on the chat. I know you people are very fast in mobiles and laptops, so you can write your answer fast in laptops also and here also, right? Will you do it? Because actually what you people are doing, you are here just to increase your speed in the how you attempt the questions, how you are fast in that. Okay, so you have to be fast in giving answers also. Okay. Okay, so you know that my name is Gunjan Jain and I'm from here. Here I'm speaking from Kota, and I have around 10 years of experience in this education field, and from around 6 or 7 years of experience by teaching you type of little kids. And it's very exciting to teach you, and every time when I get a new batch, new type of students I meet, that I love about them. And all are very good. I hope that you people are also give me a good and good memories for me, and will do achieve best in your exams. Okay. Ma'am, should we tell or we should chat? Right now, you have to chat, but in the class, you can either chat or you can unmute yourself. Both the options will be available. Okay, but without disturbing other students if they are asking. Okay, so once we will start with the demo, I think some information you need to look out about the batch. Yes, ma'am, Monica, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we will continue with the demo after some moment. Okay, up to you, Monica ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So that was Gunjan ma'am for you. Now, children, allow me to share my screen. But before that, Rihu, Kumari, and Amit Setia, please switch on your cameras, because you see, switching on the camera is mandatory for these classes. Okay. Please switch on your camera so that we can see your bright faces and there is no communication disconnect. Understood? Very good, Rihu. So just a moment and then we are good to go. So I believe my screen is visible to all. So a very warm welcome to the demo and interaction program for class 5 mathematics. So as you are already aware, Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation, and School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 important courses that really matter at this point of time in your life, which include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. So here you can get one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grades 2 to 12, one-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. So you can meet our international rank holders for the year 2021-22 on the screen. They are all brilliant kids like you, who prepared well and cracked their exams with flying colors. So classes are going to be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students delivered through Zoom by seasoned tutors. You've already met your mentor, Gunjan ma'am. So now let me tell you that only 2 to 3 seats are left in this batch 1. Okay, so if you want, you can avail your seat in next batch. All right, you'll get the details for that batch as well. So in this batch, you will get 3 sessions per week, which will be on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The timing will be 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between. So note down the days and the timings carefully. The sessions will include a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and discussion on previous year papers. You'll get access to reading material, practice questions available on the dashboard, and you'll also get access to practice-wise and topic-wise mock tests for both maths and reasoning as well as logical reasoning. Now, all these are available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. How to access those, that you will learn very shortly from Pooja ma'am in the virtual tour. So syllabus is available at this particular link, and fees can be paid by clicking on this particular link. So don't worry, all the relevant links have been pasted in the chat box and will again be pasted in the chat box for you to avail. The fees for this course is rupees 10,038, and it is going to be a 45 sessions course. The fee includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, and access to Olympiad success platform for mathematics and logical reasoning. So all that you require for these classes is a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed, with camera, because we don't allow students without video in the class, headphones for better audio clarity. So you are already aware that for Olympiad exams, you need a little more preparation from your side. And of course, parental support is also required. So in 2021-22, Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad, hailing from 35 plus countries. Now the live classes for this particular batch begins from 20th March, Wednesday. So I hope you've noted down all the details. Okay. Now I would request Pooja ma'am to take you on a virtual tour so that you can learn how to access the dashboard materials. All over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Monica ma'am. Hope I'm audible to everybody. Hi, bright faces. Arjun, you need to sit actively, no? Wow, nice. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so the moment you will log in, you need to just read this URL on your website. Like you will be going to type olympiadsuccess.com and then you will get this page on your screen. Okay, so here you'll just enter your user ID and then you'll put your password over here. Make sure that you are filling correct details. In case you'll fill incorrect, you'll not be able to log in. Okay. So the moment you log in, you'll get all these details on your screen. So you need to check your personal details carefully. If there are any errors, you can just rectify it and you can just click on update button to update your personal details. All right. After this, you'll be going to click on live classes. So see, we are in demo of mathematics. So we are going to click mathematics, right? And we are going to select our topic, like for which subject and which topic I want to see the reading material and answer keys and question papers, right? So here you can click on schedule. So here you can just see the schedule, like what all chapters are there, in which session we are going to cover which chapter, so that it will be easy for you to understand it. So here you can click here to download the PDFs. If in case you want to download it and you want to keep it saved in your device, you can just click over here and you can just download it, right? And then we are going to check holiday calendar, because make sure that you are not taking unnecessary leaves to just prepare yourself properly for Olympiad examination, right? So here is the holiday calendar. So now you can click on reading material. I've clicked on chapter number sense. So I am getting a reading material of this specific topic, right? So here you can review all the reading material and you can just go through it easily. Same way that we have seen our schedule. So if you want to download this PDF, you can just click it over here and you can just download it. Okay, so reading material set 1 and set 2. Same way the way we have seen set 1, there'll be set 2 also. So there is a lot of material for you. You can easily go through it. Now we are coming on practice question and answer keys. So here are the practice questions. So wherein you can click on this question paper. So this is question set 1. You can see there are exercise 1.1 and then we'll be going to close it because I'm going to show answer keys also. Now, the moment you are done with your practice question paper, now you are curious to see your answer keys, that how you have attempted, whether I have attempted correct or wrong, right? So you can click on answer keys and you can just check it over here that whether you have practiced it correctly or wrong. Okay. So same goes for set 2 also. But make sure that you should prefer checking answer keys later on after attempting your question paper, right? Because in this way only you'll be going to practice it properly and carefully. So this was the tour of live classes wherein you can access the reading material, wherein you can check your practice question papers and answer keys after attempting your question paper. And then there is a schedule also, and there is a holiday calendar also for you. So after covering up this, now we are going to click on worksheet. So these are the worksheets wherein you can just check it. So I'm going to click on mathematics, right? So see, I got so many worksheets because I've selected number 10. So I got number 10. There are 25, 50, 100 as per the way you want. You can click it over here. So now I'm going to click on take exam. Here are the general instructions wherein I'm going to read these instructions carefully that I should not commit any mistake later on while attempting my worksheet. All right. So here, after reading the instructions, I'm going to click on start worksheet button. After clicking on start worksheet, now I'll be going to attempt my questions. For example, this is a question. I'm going to read it carefully and I'm going to fill the answer. I'm just filling it randomly. You guys make sure that you're filling it correctly. Okay, so now I'm done with my question number 1. Now I'm going to move on question number 2. So I'll be going to click button next. So now I'm done with my question number 2. Now I'm going to move on question number 3. So I'm going to click on button next, right? So in this way, you are going to attempt all these questions. You can see there are 50 questions. So moment I'm done with all my 50 questions, I'm going to review it properly and then I'm going to click on finish button. Yes, I have reviewed all my questions and now I'm good to go. Okay, so now I'm done with my worksheet. Now I am excited to see my response, that how I have attempted it, whether it's correct, whether it's wrong. So I am excited to see my performance. So for that, I'm going to click on performance button and here I'll get my worksheet, which I have attempted just now. So for that also, after clicking on performance, you need to select your subject, in which subject you have attempted your worksheet. Then only you will get your scores properly, right? So this is the worksheet which I have attempted. So now I'm going to click on view button. Yes, I've attempted 3 questions, all are wrong, right? Because I've attempted randomly. So make sure that whenever you're attempting your worksheet, you should attempt it carefully, that you should get your correct answers and you should be very careful while attempting it. All right. So after this, I'm going to log out. Let me stop sharing my screen. Hope everybody is clear with the dashboard tour. If in case anybody is having any doubt regarding it, please drop it in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much, Monica ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. So children, the other batch that I was talking about, you have the demo on 19th of April and the classes are beginning from 26th of April. Okay. So classes will be taken up by Priyasha ma'am and the days will be Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. All right. So you can make your choice accordingly, because in case you are not able to make a seat in this batch, then you can make the seat in another batch, right? Okay. So now, do you have any doubt, any query? Please ask. We'll be happy to answer. Any doubt, any query, anyone? What is the difference between score and H score? Pooja ma'am, what is the difference between score and H score?
Monica, can I ask the question again? What was the question?
So the question is, what is the difference between score and H score? So any other doubt? We'll clear this one.
Maybe they are asking about highest score. H score, maybe highest score in
this dashboard tour they're asking, right?
So where did you come across this? Score and H score, Adya?
In performance.
Elaborate.
Yes, average and higher score beta.
Okay, in performance.
In performance dashboard tour only. Yes, at score means higher score.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Any other doubt? Any query? Any lecture demo by Gunjan ma'am now? Yes, of course, Vanisha. As I told you about the flow of the session, so once we finish with your doubts, then the actual demo will begin. Okay. So yes, any other doubt? Any query? Hassan, please switch on your camera. Samsung SM, please switch on your camera. Amit Setia, please switch on your camera. So if you're not asking a question, then I will have to ask a question. What are the class days? What are the days on which we are going to have classes for this batch? Can anybody tell me the answer? Rihu is saying Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Is that answer correct? Adya is saying Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Rudra is also saying Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And yes, that is correct. That is the correct answer. And Anshuman, what is starting from April 26? So don't get confused, children. From 26th April, the other batch is starting of Priyasha ma'am. Okay, that is batch 2. This batch, what is the starting date of this batch, everyone? March 20, Adya is saying. That is the correct answer. Yes, very good. So 20th March is the starting date for this batch. All right, don't get confused. And what are the class timings? What are the class timings for this batch? Who remembers this? Did anybody note down? So 6:30 to 7:45 a.m. or p.m.? p.m. Yes, that's the correct answer. 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. is the correct answer. Very good, children. So that means you all were paying attention to the PPT. Good. All right. So I believe no doubts are there. So can we begin with the demo now? All right. All right. So all over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So shall we start? I really liked Adya. She's very smiling. Her face is really very smiling. Okay, let me pin myself. Okay, so can you tell me which chapter we are going to start today? Any guesses? Any guesses? That which chapter we are going to start? Okay, let me give you a puzzle. A device, no, not number sense. Okay, number system, because it is the first chapter to start with. That's why you people are saying that our demo will be on number sense. Okay, no. Okay, a device that is having 3 hands. One is short, one is long, one is fast. What it is? Correct. Arjun is correct. Shivansh, yes. Clock, okay, time, clock. Clock means what chapter we are going to start? That is time. So how you feel that chapter? Is it easy? Difficult? Can you tell me what is the time by your watch? Easy, okay, everyone is saying easy. What is the time by your watch? Yes, easy, okay. 7:04 p.m. Someone is writing 7:04 p.m. Okay. Okay, Shivansh, 7:03. Is it you people are writing it in different manner? Is it the correct way to write the time? 7.3, is it correct? 5:34, 4:33 p.m. Okay, because you are at different places, so your timings are different. 7:04, okay. Okay, so you people are giving me different timings according to you. Can you tell me what type of timings you people are giving? Are you giving me by seeing analog clock or are you giving me by seeing the digital clock? Can you tell me? Is it analog or digital? Digital, digital, digital. Digital. Okay, do you know the difference between analog and digital? Okay, so we are going to understand that what is the basic difference between an analog clock and a digital clock. And if it is a digital, you people are saying that it is a digital clock, will it show the time in PM in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Is it so? Or analog clock gives you the time in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because after that 12, we have 13, 14, 15, 16 like that. And you people are saying that it is a digital time. So what happened? Is it analog or is it digital? Now tell me. Yes. Is it 7/5 or it is 19/5 if it is in digital? Okay, so we will continue. Now you people are saying that it is an analog clock. Okay, so you got the difference that what is an analog or what is a digital. We will going to understand that. Okay, let me share you the PPT for the class. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. So today the topics that we are going to cover is converting time. My digital clock is in 12-hour format. Okay. Okay, Shivansh. Converting time, adding and subtracting time, converting a 12-hour system into a 24-hour system and vice versa. That means if you are saying that it is a 12-hour format or 24-hour format, how will we convert it? Finding the elapsed time means how much time is consumed or what is the duration actually. Now then we will going to solve about word based problems. Okay, so before starting it, let's start with a quick recap of the formulas. Can you tell me what is the answer of A? 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? Please write it on the chat. Be fast. Yes, Shivansh, Arjun. Okay, 1 minute. You people are sending your answers to everyone. So change your setting. You will be having an option of 2, which you have marked as everyone. Please mark it to my name. Send me your answer to me only, not to everyone. Please change your settings. Okay. To Gunjan ma'am, you have to send the answers, not to everyone. Okay. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Now that is correct. Now send me the answer. What is 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 1 hour equal to how many minutes? Yes, correct. Oh, 24. Who is sending me 24? Are you sending answer for C? If you are writing it, write proper option A, B, C for which you are giving me answers. Okay. Yes, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Correct. Now, if I ask you that 1 hour is equals to how many seconds? Can you tell me? 1 hour is equals to how many seconds? Arjun, correct. Satyada, correct. Avyukt, correct. 1 hour is equals to how many seconds? Ibrahim, correct. Rihu, you are sending answer for which question? Rudra, correct. Yes, so correct answer is 3600. How we get it? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Then 60 minutes, that means how many seconds? 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds. So you know what is a conversion. Now, can you tell me what are the other ways we measure the time? This is hour, minute, day. What about other things that we measure time? Are these only 3-4 words that you use for time? If anything more than hour, then what you say? Day. And after day, how you say? Shivansh, okay, correct. Adya, Shivansh is saying year, week, months, week. Okay, Shivansh. Yes, Arjun, correct. Month. Okay, Anshuman, day, week, month, year, decade. Correct. Year, month, week, decades. Correct. Can you tell me what is a decade? Yes, correct. What is a decade? no leap year. Satyata, 10 years. Yes, one decade is 10 years. Now, after decade, what is the greatest unit used for time? After that. After decade, yes, correct, Anshra, Shivansh, century, yes. No, Adesha, today, tomorrow, that is not used as a unit of time, okay? Ibrahim, 10 years, I think you are giving answer for decade, correct. Century means what? How many years? Okay, 100 years, correct. 1 century means 100 years. Okay, 1 decade means 10 years. So when it is saying that I have taken 1 century to complete it, that means I have taken 100 years to complete it. Something like that. Some questions will be based on that. Okay, so these are different units that you measure the time with. Okay, now next is, can you add the time? Some questions can be asked uh, like Adisha completed some work in 3 hours, 20 minutes, 30 seconds, and Rihu completed the same work in 1 hour, 30 seconds, and 55 minutes. If both of the time have been added, what is the total duration? Can you tell me how to do this? Here, steps are written that you have to start with the seconds, then you have to add the columns, and then hours, seconds, minutes, and then hours. What is the final time? Okay, Arjun. No, check your answer. Okay, correct. Shivansh, check your answer again. Okay, Shivansh, you are seeing your answer in 75 seconds. Is it possible? No, no, no. Adisha, not correct. Rihu. Okay. Now, see how to complete it. You know that your seconds, hours, and your seconds and minutes goes up to 60 only. Okay, you have 60 seconds, you have 60 minutes, and you have 12 hours. So you cannot, and hours can be more. So seconds, if we add 30 and 55, what will you get? If you add 30 and 55, once we will start with seconds. When we are adding 30 and 55, we will get 85. But we cannot write 85 in the format because we have only 60 seconds. So how much it is greater than 60? How can we write it? We can write it as 60 plus what? 60 plus? Not 35. 25, correct. This is 60 plus 25. That means 60 seconds and 25 seconds. 60 seconds is what? This is equals to 1 minute. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So we can write it as 1 minute 25 seconds, right? So we have to write 25 here and 1 minute because it will be shifted in the minutes column. So 1 minute will be added here. Now, 20 plus 30 is 50 and 1 this carryover total makes you 51 minutes. Now, this is less than 60, so there is no problem. We can write 51 minutes. Okay. Now, when you add hour and 3 hour and 1 hour, that makes you 4 hours. Okay. So, total answer will be 4 hour, 51 minute and 25 seconds. So you have to remember whenever your answer, any column goes beyond 60, you have to convert it. So how will you do it? You can subtract 60 from it. 85 minus 60 will give you 25. So write 25 here and 1 carry over to the next part. Is it clear how to do it? Any student who is not clear with it, please tell me. Who is not clear with this question? All are clear? Can I give you one more question based on this? Will you give me correct answer? Okay, now tell me, I am giving you hours, minute and seconds. Hours are given as 4 hours, 32 minutes, 52 seconds. One is given 2 hours, 36 minutes and 20 seconds. Can you give me correct answer for this? When you add what answer you will get. This is 36, okay? 36 minutes. What answer you will get? If your answer, if any column goes beyond 60, subtract 60 from that. That means you have to convert it into minutes and seconds. Yes, Ibrahim, seconds? No, it is not in minutes. Check again. Is it seconds or is it minutes? First add seconds, then minutes, then hours. If your seconds are greater than 60, convert it into minutes and seconds. Adisha, you have to convert your minutes also. Okay, Arjun. Write in the format hour, then minutes, then seconds. Check answer for hours. I'm talking about Arjun. Shivansh. Check your answer again about minutes. Anshra, not correct. Okay. Ibrahim, okay. Now, enough time for you. Now I'm telling you how to do it. First we will start with the seconds. So 52 and 20 gives you 72. Because it is greater than 60, so we will convert it into 60 plus 12. Or you can say we can subtract 60 from 72, we will get 12. And 160, I will transfer it in the minute section. So we will have one carryover here. Now, total 32 plus 36 will give you 68, but one carryover will give you 69. Now 69 is again greater than 60, so we will convert it into again 60. This is 60 plus 9, that is 60 minutes and 9 minutes. We can write 60 minutes as 1 hour. So we can write it as 1 hour 9 minutes. Now, because this is hour, so we have to shift it in the hour format. So here we will write 9. Here we will take 12. And this 1 carryover plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 will give you 7. So correct answer is 7 hour, 9 minutes and 12 seconds. Okay. Who is Samsung SM-M5? Please rename yourself and give your answer to me. Okay. So correct answer is 7 hours, 9 minutes and 12 seconds. Is it clear how to do? Any doubt in this question? Please tell me, students. 7 hours, 9 minutes and 12 seconds. Is it clear to you all? Give me a thumbs up. Can't understand Adisha. Okay, Adisha, listen to me. Adisha, if I write 72 minutes, 72 seconds, can I write it in terms of minutes and seconds? Because it is greater than 60. So what we have to do? 72, Shivansh, okay. 72 can be written as 60 seconds plus 12 seconds. Okay. This 60 seconds is equals to what? 1 minute. Okay. And this 12 seconds will remain as it is. Okay. Now 1 minute we have to transfer to the minute section. Okay. Whenever your answer is going after 60, you have to convert it into 60 plus extra. Okay. Now I'm giving you one more question. Now try to do this. Okay, Rudra. Number of hours, minutes and seconds. Question is 2 hours, 24 minutes, 45 seconds is added with 3 hours, 35 minutes and 20 seconds. Please give me answer for this. First add seconds. If your answer is going above 60, convert it into minutes and seconds. If minutes is also going above 60, convert your answers in hours and minutes. Try to do this. Yes, Satyata, correct. Ashaz, correct. Okay, Shivansh, correct. Satyata, okay. Yes, many students have given me correct answer. Oh, Anshra, check your answer once again. Correct, correct. Anshuman, check your answer. Ibrahim, check your minutes answer. Rihu, correct. No, not correct. Check your minutes answer. Now we will start from second. 45 plus 20 will give you 65. It is how much greater than 65 greater. So we will write 5 here and 1 carry over here, because we can write 65 as 60 plus 5. 60 seconds means 1 minute. So we are transferring 1 minute in the minute column. Now when we add this, we will get what? 1 plus 24 plus 35 will give you again 60 minutes. 60 minute is equal to what? This is actually 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour will be carry over to the hour section. So it will be, you can write here 0, 0. Okay, now this is 1 carry over, 1 plus 2 plus 3 give you 6. So correct answer is 6 hour, 0 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, so who is Samsung? Right, rename yourself. Okay, how many of you are not clear again? Please tell me. Everyone is clear how to do? Should we move on to the next topic? Okay, now how we will subtract the time? How you will subtract the time? Again, you have to take the carryover. Okay, listen to me how to do it. When suppose your question is given like 7 hours, minutes and seconds, just see how to do it first. Miss, in minutes section, 4 plus 5 is 9. Where? No, Adisha. Okay, just listen to me. This question is 7 hours, 45 minutes and 30 seconds, and you have to subtract 5 hours, 30 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, Adisha, just wait. Okay, now please tell me how to do it. Again, normal subtraction you have to do. 30 minus, can you give me answer for this? Okay, Ashas, give me answer that I have written. What will be the answer if we subtract both the hours? Ashas, correct. Ibrahim, correct. Yes, Avyukt, correct. Rihu, correct. Yes, Ibrahim, correct. So what you will do, you will start with the seconds. 30 minus 25 will give you 5 seconds. When we do minutes, 45 minus 30 will give you again how much? How much? 15 minutes, correct? 15 minutes here. And 7 minus 5 will give you 2. So 2 hours, 15 minutes and 5 seconds. Correct? This is easy when your above values are greater than your lower values. In this cases, all the above values are lower values. Okay, but here in this case, when you are subtracting, your above value is less than your lower value. So what you will do? What you will do to do it? How will you subtract? You cannot subtract a smaller value, a bigger value from a smaller value. So what we will do? We will first start for seconds. Because it is lower, then we will borrow 1 minute from here. So when you are taking 1 minute from the minute column, your 20 will become 19. Okay. And when you are transferring minute here, that means what you are transferring? You are transferring 60 seconds to this side. Okay, so total 60 seconds are, that means it becomes 30 plus 60, that is equals to 90. That means I can subtract 55 from 90. Now what is 90 minus 55? Can you tell me? What is 90 minus 55? 10 minus 5 is 5. Then it becomes 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. So it becomes 35 here. Okay, so we solved that 30 minus 55, we get 35 seconds. Now 19 minus 30, again this value is lower than the bottom value. So again we can take borrow from R. So we are taking 1 hour from here. So this 3 becomes 2. Now 1 hour means how many minutes we have taken? We have taken 60 minutes because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So how many minutes become now? So this total minutes become 19 plus 60. That is equals to how much? 79. Now it has become greater. Now 79 minus 30 is what? 79 minus 30, 9 minus 0, 9, 7 minus 3 is 4. So we get the answer 49 minutes and 35 seconds. Now 2 minus 1 we can do because value is greater. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So complete answer is 1 hour, 49 minutes and 35 seconds. Is it clear? Is it clear, students, how to do it? Any doubt? Everyone is clear? Should I give you one question based on this? Okay, let's see. Okay. Yes, please see here. Question is 4 hours, 15 minutes and 20 seconds. And it is to be subtracted from 2 hours, 20 minutes and 35 seconds. This is hour, minute and seconds. You will give me answer in the format hour, minute and then seconds like this. Okay, Satta, but you are giving your answer to everyone. Satyata, check your answer for minutes. Ibrahim, check once again. Please check your answer for seconds. It should be what? Okay, now I'm telling you the correct answer. 15 hours is not correct. See, 20, 35, 20 is again greater. So we have to take borrow from it. So we will take 1 minute from it. That means it is equals to 60 seconds. We are taking borrow of 60 seconds. So it becomes 20 plus 60, that is equals to 80. Now 80 minus 35 is 45. Okay. Is it so? 80 minus 35. How much we are getting? 45 only? Oh, Samsung is getting 25. Amrapali getting 45. Okay. So 45 is correct. Now this is 45 seconds. Now because we have taken one borrow from it, so it becomes 14. Okay. Now 14 again cannot be subtracted from 20. So again we have to take borrow from here. So 1 hour we are taking borrow. 1 hour means how many minutes we are taking? 60 minutes we are taking. So our new minutes become 14 plus 60. That is equals to 74. Now 74 minus 20 we can do That is equals to how much? 4 minus 0, 4. 7 minus 2 is 54. Okay. So 54 minutes. Now, because we have taken borrow, so this is 4 becomes 3. So 3 minus 2 will give you 1. So 1 hour, 54 minute and 45 seconds. How many of you got it correct? Anshra got it correct. Okay. Shivansh, Asha's, yes. How many of you are not clear with this question? Adya, are you clear? Yes? Okay. Adisha, you are saying clear or not clear? I'm not getting. Please write in the chat. Are you getting? Adisha, is it clear? Do you want explanation again? Not clear. Okay. I'm giving you one more question. Okay. See, question is 5 hour, 30 minutes and 20 seconds. This is hour, minute and seconds. And you have to subtract 2 hour, 34 minutes and 25 seconds. Now please do it. Yes, subtract 20 minus 25 we cannot do because top value is less. Our top value should always be greater. Okay. So we have to take borrow from it. Okay. You people can send me answer for seconds only first. What you are getting for seconds. Please tell me. For seconds, what you are getting. Okay. Shivansh correct. Avyukt correct. Shivansh correct. Avyukt correct. Satyata correct. Ibrahim correct. Shiva not correct. Shivam correct. Shivam correct. Shivaram, you have to check again. Anshra correct. Ibrahim correct. Ibrahim, you are sending for hours. I am asking about seconds. Rudra, seconds, tell me. Yes, Asha is correct. Okay. So since it is great, it is less than top value is less. So we will take borrow from it. We are taking 1 minute from it. So it will become 29. And 1 minute, if you are taking, that means you are taking 60 seconds from it. So 60 seconds means it becomes 20 plus 60, that is equals to 80 again. So 80 minus 25 will give you 55. Now you have to subtract 29 minus 34. Again, top value is less. So what answer you are getting for minutes? Take the borrow from hour. What is the answer for minutes? Okay. Yes, again 55. Yes, correct. 29, that means again you are taking borrow from it. So 5 becomes 4 because you are taking borrow of 1 hour. 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 60 minutes. Total value becomes what? 29 becomes 29 plus 60. That is equals to 89. Now 89 minus 34 you can do. 89 minus 34 is 55. Now this top value is greater, so we need not to take any borrow. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 hours, 55 minutes and 55 seconds. Anshuman, check your answer again. It is not 3 hours. You have taken borrow, so it will decrease by 1. Shivansh correct, Avyukt correct. Now, how many of you are still having doubt in this? I think it is clear to everyone. Anshra? Okay, everyone is clear? Should we move? Rudra, not clear? Rudra, what happened? You are giving me correct answer, but only ours part is not correct. Shivansh, can you write me what part is not clear so that we can move on in the chat? What part is not clear? So I can tell you that way only. Rudra clear. Okay. Shivansh, not clear. Shivansh Kumar, are you writing something? Okay, Shivansh, you are saying it is clear. I think everyone is clear now. We are moving to the next part. Okay. See, now this is your 12-hour format and 24-hour format. Initially, I told you what are analog clock and what are digital clocks. You have seen two types of clock here. This type of clock that are called wall clocks, in which what happened, the hour is in the 12-hour format. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 12, and then again it repeats 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 12, right? When I say that it is 6 o'clock, that means 6 o'clock, it can be in the morning, it can be in the evening also. Okay. But when I say in digital clock like this is called your digital clock, because here what happened, after 12, it goes to 13, 14, 15, up to what? What is the last time? 12, no. In digital clock, what is the last time? Yes, Asha is correct. Satyata not correct. Rihu is also not correct. Have you ever seen in digital clock that it will show 2400? No, na? It will not show you 2400. Your last value is 2359. It does not go up to 24. It becomes what? It becomes 0000. Right? Correct? So your last value for digital is 2359. After, when it becomes 24, that means it is the next day that starts from 0000. Okay. So this is called your digital clock and this is called your analog clock. Okay. So when we are talking about analog clock, that means because same time is happening two times, one in the morning, one in the evening. So we have to distinguish which one we are talking about. So if, suppose I'm saying it is 6. So what it is? It is in the morning or it is in the evening? I don't know. But if I say that it is a 6 a.m., that means it is a morning time. But when I say it is 7 p.m., so it is morning or evening? Evening, because you have distinguished on the basis of AM and PM. So when it starts from midnight and goes up to noon midday, that means we have to use AM. Okay, but from this PM 12 to 12 AM, that means at the midnight we will use PM. That is easy for you to write how to do it. Okay. Now, if I ask you how to convert, suppose if I'm saying that the time in the clock is 20 to 10, can you tell me, this is in the digital format, can you convert it into analog? How will I write it? 20 to 10. What is the time in this format? That is 12-hour format. Asha is correct, but yes, Avyukt, 10:10, you people are saying 10:10, but it is in the evening or in the morning. How can I distinguish? Yes, correct. 10:10 p.m. So when you are writing in analog form, you have to write AM or PM, because it will not easy for me to understand that you are telling about morning or it is in the evening. But in 24-hour format, you need not to write AM and PM. Okay. Clear? So what you are doing, how to convert it? You are subtracting 12 from it, right? So that means 13 is your 1, 14 is your 2. So that means when you subtract 12 from this, you will get this value. 13 minus 12 give you 1, 14 minus 12 give you 2, 15 minus 12 give you 3, minus 12, you will get this, right? So when you have to convert analog to digital, then you have to subtract. That means 24-hour format to 12-hour format, you have to subtract 12 from it. Okay. And if it is given in after 12, that means PM you are changing. Only PM will change. Okay. Now, can you convert it? Convert 23, 20, 30 into 12-hour format. What is the time? This time you have to change in 12-hour format. What is the time? Yes, correct. Asha's correct. Satyata correct. Anshuman not correct. Why you are getting this? Yes, Avyukt, Rihu, correct. Yes, Shivansh, Adesha, correct. So basically only hours will change here. Minutes and second will remain same. So 30 minus 0 is 30. 20 minus 0 is 20. And 23 minus 12 is 11. So we get the answer as 11, 20 and 30. But 11, 20, 30, that means this is an AM or PM? If it is after 12, that means from 30 to 24. If it is, then we have to write it in PM. Okay. After 12, we have to write it in PM. Clear? I think this is easy. You can convert it. Now, please tell me how to find the duration. Duration means, always remember one formula. When we are finding the duration, that means how much time is required to complete any activity. Suppose any activity starts at 9:30 and it goes up to 10:30. You have to tell me the time. So how to do it? Duration means start time, or we can say finish time minus start time. Finish time minus start time. You have to do this to find the duration. Finish time minus start time. So here finish time is given as 10:30 a.m. and minus 9:30 a.m. So subtract it, how much you will get? What is the total duration to complete this activity? Yes, correct. Okay, 1 hour. Oh, you people are giving me answer for other questions also. Write question number. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. For which question you are giving me answer? So here this is correct. 30 minus 30 is 0. 10 minus 9 is 1. That means 1 hour is required to complete this activity. Okay, now give me the answer for second. Shivram, okay. This is the start time, this is the finish time. So finish time minus start time. So 10:27 minus 8:40. If above value is less, then you have to take the carryover. Okay, this is hour, this is minute. This value is less, so we have to take borrow. So when we take borrow, that means 1 hour, this becomes 9 and this becomes 27 plus 60, which is equals to 87. Now 87 minus 40 is how much? Check your answer for hours. You people are not giving me correct answer for hours. 87 minus 40. 47. This is 47 minutes. Now 9 minus 8. No problem in this. So 1 hour 47 minutes. We have just completed subtraction. Okay. So 1 hour 47 minutes is the correct answer. Just complete that finish time minus start time. What will be the answer for this? Please send me answer for third one. No Ibrahim, no Ashas. Not correct. Okay, Avyuk? Yes, Rudra. And what about hours? Yes, Rihu correct. Asha is not correct. Okay, okay. Wait, Rihu, how many hours are there? See, students, you people are not paying attention that one is in AM, one is in PM. How can it be only 30 minutes? From 10:45 AM in the morning to 11:15 in the PM, can it be only 30 minutes? No. So convert them into 24-hour format first. So in 24-hour format, how will you write it? 11:15 is 23:15. Okay, convert it into 24-hour format. 23:15 minus, when we convert this, it is already AM, need not to change. So 10:45. Okay, now subtract. Again, top value is less. So we will take borrow. So this becomes 22 and this becomes 15 plus 60, that is equals to 75. Now 75 minus 45 is 30 minutes, but hours are 22 minus 10, that is 12 hour 30 minutes. Okay, Shivansh, not 13. We have taken one borrow, so it is reduced by 1. 12 hour 30 minutes. So whenever you are finding duration, please pay attention in AM and PM that how much time is required to complete from start to the end. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? One is in the morning, one is in the evening. Okay. Clear? Okay. Next. Try to complete this. This will be our last question. Monty was solving a puzzle. The time at which he started and the time at which he solved is given below. How much time did Monty take to solve? So one is your start time, one is your end time or finish time. You have to tell what is the total duration. Can you tell me what is the start time in this clock? Please write it in the chat. What is the start time in this clock? What is shown here? Ashas, what is the start time? No, Shivansh, not correct. Rudra, correct. Start time is correct. Everyone send your answer. What is the start time shown? Avyuk, correct. Adisha, correct. Ibrahim, not correct. Ashaz, not correct. Adya, not correct. See, when it is going up to 60, when it is going up to 60, it becomes close to 6, not 6. Okay. So time is 5:55. Okay, once it will go up to here, then it will go a straight line. So time is here 5:55. Okay, what is the end time? Can you tell me? End time, please write end time in this watch. What it is showing? Not 6:25. This is 6, this is 7. It is between 7 and 8. Between 7 and 8. So 7:25. Correct. 7:25 is correct. Now tell me what is the duration. Duration means end time minus start time. 7:25 minus 5:55. Okay. Which option is correct? A, B, C, D. So when we subtract, okay, Ashas, check your answer. So when we subtract, this value is lower. So we will take again, borrow from it. So 7 becomes 6. This becomes 25 plus 60. That is 85. 85 minus 55 is 30. And 6 minus 5 is 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. But here what it is given? All in minutes. So convert this 1 hour in minutes. 1 hour in minutes. How many total minutes are there? 1 hour means 60 minutes, not 150, Shiva. 1 hour means 60 minutes and 30 minutes is as it is. So 60 minutes plus 30 minutes will give you 90 minutes. Okay, okay. 1 hour 30 minutes is correct, 90 minutes is correct. Anshuman, C is not correct. Total 60 plus 30, 1 hour 30 minutes, you got the answer, 1 hour 30 minutes. That means how many total minutes? 60 minutes plus 30 minutes. 60 plus 30 is 90. 90 is the correct answer. Okay, Ashas. Any doubt in this question? You want to do one more question or we should end? Please tell me. One more question or we should end here? You got the idea how we will complete. Okay, Adish, I think one more. Okay, you people are saying one more. Okay, so one more question to you. Okay, this is the answer. Now, we are saying it as a chocolate problem. Chocolate problem means some tricky questions, some word problems. Okay, Rohan left his house at 7:45 a.m. and walked for 15 minutes to get a bus. Can you tell me at what time he will get the bus? At what time he will get the bus? Okay, I'm getting answers very fast. Okay, 8. After 15 minutes, time becomes 7:45 plus 15. 7:45 plus 15 minutes becomes you. This becomes 60. 60 means 00. That means you can directly say that it is 8 a.m. Okay, at 8 a.m. he will get the bus. Okay, he boarded the bus immediately and the bus dropped him at 9:15 because he has taken the bus at 8 a.m. The bus dropped at 9:15. So this is your start. This is your end. How much time it require from 8 to 9? Total is 1 hour and 15 minutes more. So 1 hour, 15 minutes. Okay, 1 hour, 15 minutes. I think everyone has given me correct answer for this. Okay, very good. So that means at the end, you people know how to do addition, subtraction, and on this basis, we are able to complete 12-hour, 24-hour, and word problem. These type of questions will ask in the Olympiads only. If you are able to complete it, that means you are able to understand about what type of questions will be asked in Olympiads also. So is it clear? Yes? Okay, give your answers in the chat. How many of you got how much percentage you are able to understand in this demo? How much percentage of part is clear to you? Percentage you know na? 1%, 2%, 100%, 0%. How much part you are able to understand? Okay, Asha, Zavyog, Rihu. Okay, all of you are saying 100%. That means everything is clear. Kedar is saying 80%. Kedar, can you tell me what part is not clear? I think you joined late. That's why. Anshra, Adya, Anshuman 90%. Anshuman 90%. At the end, are you able to complete all? Okay, okay. If you are getting above 90% also, then it is also okay for me. But right now, what is happening? Shivansh is saying 99%, 1% is still remaining. What happened, Shivansh? What 1% is left? Okay, no problem. But in the class, see what is happening right now. You people are not able to communicate with me in the demo. But in the main class, you are able to communicate with me when you are unmuted. So whenever you are having problem in that, just ask me at that step only that I am not able to understand that part, ma'am. Just wait for me. Okay, then we will again explain it and we will try that every student for every step they will got it. Okay, so it's all from my side. I hope we will meet in the class, everyone. We will start our class. We will make our class interesting. If you people communicate with me, interact with me, and remain with me every time. Okay, no problem, Shivansh. If any question goes wrong, I want at the end you are able to understand it, how you have done it incorrect. Okay, main thing is that only. If you are doing any mistake also, then you should understand that what part I am doing incorrect, so that in the main exam you will not repeat it. Okay, clear? So should we end? Bye everyone. Smile on your face. Okay, bye.